see. Does this do anything? What the hell is this? Fuck off. Am I gonna be shown? Why is my thumbnail wrong here? That is wrong. I'm gonna move it here just so it's not as visible. Actually, can I disable this for now? Yes, I can. Nice. Let's see. Why is the thumbnail wrong? Time's off. Is it? No, it's actually working. Okay. Let's set everything up. Right. Can I select? Yes, I can. Ninja Saga. Right. I should do it. Let me share this. Let's go like this and open it up on my YouTube. Oh, actually, on my phone. Not this one. Right. Let me enable the damn thing. Like this. We disable all of this, and it should be working. I think. We'll see. Waiting to see if it's going to update on my phone, hopefully. Come on. There we go. Okay, so first things first. Hey Myth, I didn't actually get the chance to, I was away, but I actually used something similar. Let me show it up. The dummy here. I don't know if actually I need to enable it first. Give me a second. I use something similar, as I said, like for the enemies. They're all combined into one simple animation, and then I just change the actual frames in the animation. Let me see if I can just disable some code that I was doing to show it off. Give me a second. Come on. The only thing is I have to reload every time. But okay. You can see the animation here. It has a few... there was one more, I think if I... Let me remember which click it was. Did I delete it maybe? I could have. Yeah, it seems that I deleted it. There was one more animation that I was testing out, but I deleted it for now. But yeah, anyways, the animations basically play like that. There's two. There's the hit animation and then the death animation just for testing. It's all in the same file as well, but for the player I wasn't able to do that yet. Player is quite annoying to animate. But yeah, okay, let me see. I need to put this back into disabled for now. Right. Okay, so I need to do a few things. First, I want to actually start setting up the health checks, damage checks, and all that. Just for the sake of like updating UI to see if it works at all. Okay, let me see. For that, I'll have to do something. How is that actually done is the main question. Can I open a different browser? So for enemies, basically what I do is I export it as canvas, which is like for websites. A lot of games use it, like the web games. So it ends up being 1 or 2 files, I believe. And the only thing that I have to do is implement a function inside of it that I call from my code and check out from which frame to which frame is which animation. For example, standby animation from 0 to, I don't know, like 20. And then damage animation from 21 to 40 and so on. But it's all basically 1 or 2 files for enemies. I'm not 100% sure, did it like a few months ago at this point. So yeah. It's not hard for enemies, like enemies are no issue at all for me at this point, but player will be... I'll have to recreate all of the animations on my own, you know? So that's the annoying part. Okay, I'm using a different browser now just to check something out on Google. Where does this go is my question. I need to double check this. I do have to say, like, this will be a bit more of a less visual, actually, yeah, less visual stream because I'm basically doing the code behind the scenes, so I can't really show it up. Hopefully. But yeah, we'll see. Let's see, how do I make this work is my question. I have one issue, but I need to check something. So here I'm doing... It's there, okay. Right. Okay. Now I'm trying to figure out how the best way to basically communicate in a way. I've set up like the bare basics of this all, which is really good. But I just need to... Okay, let me see if I can do something like... update stats, maybe. Updating statistics. Let's see if I can just explain it to me. That's... And I'll do it as stats. Okay. And we come here. I need to emit a message to everyone. Oh god, this will be annoying. I hope this will actually do anything, but I'll see. Right.
It's all about humanity.
For, let's say, P3. Actually, I'll have to send this afterwards, no? Yeah, I'm not thinking. Okay, this thing I need to... Oh god, I need to actually select the stats, right? Yeah, I have to say, like, I tried it randomly, the paintbrush, and it kind of just stuck with me, you know? It's a bit of a different approach, I guess, but it works, so at least something I know. Like, I was concerned because I didn't really have any style for the game. I didn't want to keep it the same as it was for the old Ninja Saga, you know? So right now it's a theme that I'm sticking with, I guess. At least something. Okay, I need to select... I need damage from this weapon, which... Weapons where... this... Weapon ID... Gonna be here. Okay. Actually, I don't even need it. I think I can just go with this. Hopefully. That's gonna be 2 and R2, right? Okay. I'm just like all over the place figuring this out. It's results to 0, I believe, and damage, correct? Correct. I'm getting some messages. What is this? Okay. Right. What is this? Why am I being tagged? Okay. Will this even send any messages? My question. Let's see. I need to. Where's my server? Is it on? No, it's not. Okay. Now I need to pray that this actually works. Just where's the command? God, this song is actually just playing bad. Let me skip this ahead. Come on, YouTube Music, play something interesting. I have to be careful what I even play here. Come on. I need this. 842374 is the ID. Right, let's see if this will do anything. Using the beautiful test. And will I get anything in return? No? Why not? What? Okay. Interesting. Where's my Photoshop open? So come on, get off. Right, this is not working. Amazing. Come on. Actually, I shouldn't even refresh that. Why am I doing that? Doesn't matter. Does anything happen here? No. Am I not sending the message? Turn is off. Here's attack, and do I have CheckDB still? Come on. Anything? And no, this is... What? Oh, okay, never mind. So my database checking is not on point. I'll check that in a bit. I guess for now I'll disable it. Will this result into anything? For some reason, no. Okay. My room is not actually doing anything because I'm sending the wrong one, right? Probably. No, actually, it's just refusing to do that. This is a bit of annoying. It's not sending the actual message for some reason. Actually, I might know why. If I update it here, maybe that'll work. A big potential, but we'll see. As soon as this actually goes through and it actually works. And no, this did not work for some reason. What? Why would you? You in, right? Hmm. Right, let's see. I had to mute for a sec. In theory, let me just fix this thing. I hope this will actually do anything. I'm not, actually I should probably reset it. Right. Please send the actual message through. My god, it refuses to do so. Okay, why? Why are you being the way you are? Okay. Oh, this is being actually so damn annoying. Okay. What is this? This connection, but is this connect? No, it's not. I'm literally just going through the documentation on this at this point. Okay. Can I see the damn implementation? Come on. Connector room, where is this? Connector room, okay. So all in all, it's literally just... What? That makes no sense. Right? It should have worked, but no, it refuses. Why? Dot in, right? Is it? It literally just refuses to do the thing. Okay. No question is why, but okay. Tell me the rooms. And then this. In all honesty, this should have been a thing. Connect, okay, and I mean it is the room, it just doesn't want to work. Okay, amusing. What? This makes zero damn sense. What? It is a bit annoying, but okay. Let me try if I can actually just send that. It just doesn't work. And then I need the actual reply, which is this, right? In theory, this should work. And again, I'm hoping. Let's JS. Let's hope this will do anything at all. And it just died for some reason. What? Room now is not defined because I'm kind of dumbass. 2 would be why. Do the thing. It did connect, but it's not replying. For some reason. This makes no sense. Okay. Why are you not actually just joining? I'll send it as data user maybe. Just for the sake of trying, I guess. Right. It still doesn't actually tell me that for some reason. Why? Am I incorrectly setting up the receiving part? Or what? My god, this refuses to work. What? Where is this defined? Maybe just like this? Nope. Why do you refuse to do that? Come on, man, it's not that hard. hopefully? Or is it just EO? I actually don't know. I'll figure it out. Alright, this is actually probably just boring for someone. Okay, I actually got it to send. Goddamn, finally. Okay. This took ages. But okay. Right. Okay, now that I have this, I can just replace it. And now I pray to Lord that this actually does something. Hopefully. Now when I connect, it should tell me here something. But it did not. Why? I'm doing it here. Aha! I did not replace it here. Okay. Somehow. Now I'm connected. It should tell me it's an object. Okay. And what is the data for that? I'm sending... where's the attack? Here, stats. Health. For the sake. Well, let's see if anything will on the side tell me. The thing is, I can't actually show it, but something is actually changing, luckily enough. Yeah, okay, now let's do the code for updating the health. Right, do they have the ID? They do. ID P3. P3, right? And this one is P1. Okay. P as plus stats 4. And I need to send the actual health of them, right? So I'll have to select the actual health from the enemy in that case. Okay. And need to actually send it all. I'm just doing everything. Okay, now I need to get the actual enemy. So, when I'm attacking, I need to select... where is it? I believe P3, right? Enemy will be this. And of course I need to type weapon. If data type equals weapon. Why do I have this twice? I feel like this should not be twice. Yeah, okay. So this is for getting weapon. I also need to get enemy, right? Select data enemy from and with Okay. Now this I should technically just get a thing, but it's not. Oh yeah, I need to plus it. Correct. Right. Oh, Sebo! Hot kuti. Or where's the enemy? Or data enemy. The damage, and I need to get his health, which is select. And there's select health, I believe. Let me check the actual code for it. Should be here. Actually, I should probably keep this somewhere else, right? I don't know if this will be visible. I'll have to check. Ne, nisam stavio kod zato što je backend onaj što sam tebi streamovao, pa to neću baš da pokazujem. No, sam ovi sad ćemo oko. Iskreno, vratno ću uskoro i ugasiti zato što mi je teško da radim ovako na sve strane, sam, znaš, onda me zajebava. Stats, moram da uzem dobro, stats. Znaš kako je zajebano, ono, 3 brauzera imamo otvorene, svi su negde sakriveni. Šta te? Will this do anything is the real question. Stats, let's go with that. Results 4, correct? Correct. Stats, what will happen here? Fala. Right. Let's see what will happen when I do this. If it just died. Okay. Hell, results 2. Okay, what? Why is results 2 dead? Because I'm not sending the actual data. Right. And something is broken. What would that be? Where did I mess up now? What? Oh, stats 4. Where's that? Right, I'll just disable it for now. Okay. If I attack, it just dies again. Why is that not defined? What? Data type, right? Why are you not sending it? It just refuses to work. God damn. Correct. I guess I'll just throw it inside. Hopefully. In that case, it should do something, correct? And it dies again! Results 2 is not set. Why is results 2 not set? Why is that not asynchronous? Hmm. Alright, well, this is actually just hating on me at this point. How do I run this to not die on me? Hello, hello. Oh, you're still here. Yeah, well, it's kind of being annoying right now. I'm trying to fix it, but... Well, not to fix it, but to get it to do the thing. Could I just, like... Oh, add a weight in front of it? Just for the sake of it? Probably not, but... Let's see. I'm trying to make sure that code does not run after, or actually before something finishes. And it's being a bit of a troubling thing, you know? Could be... Let's try like this. Why is it not letting me? No, to be fair, I could load it differently. Right? Let's see. As soon as this like groundwork is ready, it should be hopefully good. Can I use this as a... No, probably not. Insane. It's not actually ActionScript. I'm not using anything of the old game nor the old code because it's so outdated. There's no point in actually using it. So the old code would be, well, to be fair, it's really similar to JavaScript, but it's outdated enough to the point where it's unusable in a sense. Like I could probably get all I don't know what it was, like 30k lines of combat code, and update it, but it's so badly written, well, not badly, but for today's standards, that there's really no point in me actually doing it. Yeah, basically I'm just taking out the assets, updating them to what I need, and recreating everything. It's all currently with JavaScript, Node.js, and PHP. Just keeping it simple. It's similar structure to the old game, but in today's standards without Flash, nor ActionScript and whatnot. Now the only reason... Oh my god. How do I actually... Can't I just do like this? Hmm. I think so, this should work. Let's see if I can repeat it for everything. So this is results. Results 2 uses this as a base, I believe. Correct. And this is results 3 for this, which then uses results 4 for this. I'm literally just praying that this ends up working. That's fine. Okay. This more I did say with Metin. There's going to Python 2.7 and during the source was complete and Visual Studio 2.10. Yeah, to be fair, like if Ninja Saga was coded, let's say after 2015 maybe, like from scratch, then it would have been really simple to update. But honestly, I wish I could actually show you what I mean, but the amount of really poorly written code that it has is insane. What am I doing wrong here? Wait. Oh, I didn't select the proper thing here, did I? Right, I didn't. Ha. But yeah, like the amount, like for example, they would have an if statement like, I don't know, let's say if player is restricted, do action number whatever, and then the next line, and that's like 3 lines or 4 lines of code, and then next is if player is stunned, then do the same exact action as restricted, but that's another 3 or 4 lines, and then they repeat it like 5 or 10 times. It all could have been done in 3 lines. So if player is restricted or stunned or I don't know, whatever other statuses were, but like it had like 10 checks for everything and they were all separated instead of combined, you know? So that really messed up my system. Well, not my system, but like the actual game logic. It could have been so much faster if it was normal, you know? So wait, what am I selecting? This is results 4, but the damage is not working for some reason. Why? Why is damage not working? I'm not able to select damage for some reason, which is mildly annoying. Select damage from weapons. Results 2, 0 damage, right? So why are you being Yeah, but that's the thing, like the combat file that Ninja Saga had like I believe 30k lines, And of those, if you actually updated it to today's standards, it could have probably been in less than, let's say, 5,000 lines. And even that is too much, in a way, because the game itself is badly structured, where like regular enemy fights are in the same code file for automated clan fights or massive boss fights or anything like that. Like, they are all in the same file handled in completely different logic, but still in the same file. So realistically, you could separate them into different files and load only what's needed, but they never did that. So, I mean, again, for standards back then, that was completely fine. But for today, and especially because if you want to keep it simple for any possible device, then I'd much rather keep it separated, you know? Yeah, literally, one combat file is responsible for every possible iteration of combat in the game. Like pets, player versus player, player versus enemy, bots versus bots, everything is in that one file. And not the funny thing is, like, they don't even mix and match, so like it's not loading same code for same type of thing. So for example, if you attack an enemy, that's handled in one part of the file, but if your friend or a bot on your side attacks an enemy, that's handled with the same code but on the different part of the page. So like, it's copy pasted. It was super bad. Why is this not loading for some reason now? Okay, I need to figure out why this constant. Let's see what happens. Let's load this. Actually, I probably know why, but I have to double check how this works. So it's saying results. Why is that not handled better? What? Can I set it as this? 3 and results. Let's see if this will do anything. Right, that will not work. Okay. How will I handle this properly is my question. Actually, I probably need to do this as well. Right? Probably. Yeah, to be fair, Python in that case is really useful for that. So, well, then again, like, it's much more intuitive in Python to be clean, you know? But ActionScript was really... well, if you ever worked with JavaScript, you might know, but like, ActionScript is basically a dumbed down version of JavaScript. ActionScript of JavaScript. I don't know if I specified correctly. But yeah, so the issue was like, with lack of experience, because I believe the developers of Ninja Saga run straight into it, like, oh yeah, we're creating Ninja Saga, you know? They didn't really have much experience, and then again, it's not really easy to figure out anyways, so I actually don't know. Now, why is my code not working? Ah, Can I do this? I'm trying to properly do this, but it's not. He refuses to work with me. What? Oh, so you get as undefined for some reason, right? In theory, this should work. What, am I sending the correct file? I hope. User is correct, yeah. So I just need to figure out how to return that properly. Yeah, I guess that makes sense, but... Wait, let me see. Why is this not doing this thing? Hmm. I have some troubles here, and it's so annoying, but... Let's see if I can define it like this. Will these do anything? Why is the file not doing anything now? Come on. Start working, you got it. Okay. If I do this now, it should at least... No, no shot, okay. But why? Why do you refuse to work with me, man? Come on. Actually, I could just return with 0, right? Like, the annoying thing is, like, if as soon as this all actually starts doing something... Wait, what? So you send the resume, but you're not sending this thing. What? The hell? My god, okay. I can't just return this then. Weapon. And then I return damage. Hopefully. Okay. So what am I sending? I ain't got any scripts, I'm just buying a combat system. How are you buying a combat system? What? Okay, let's see if this will do anything actually. It should still just die on me as soon as I attack, but it should do some proper things. This is to damage. Okay, so this thing is... Where's the damage? Damage is res 2 and stats should be res 4, correct? Correct. Res 4, return results 0 stats. Well, you should return 0, 0, I believe. Res 3. I'm actually just hoping that this ends up working soon. So the thing is, I'm making the system so flexible in a way. Oh no, why did I refresh? I'm making it so flexible in a way that I can change anything or tweak anything in any way I actually want. So, let's see, it says undefined. Why is that undefined? No one goddamn knows. Okay. It almost worked. But almost is not good enough. And the real question is why? Goddamn. Oh, I know why. Because actually, no, I don't know why. What did it just do? It's damage, right? This is not fun. So yeah, I'm trying to make it so understandable in a way that I can do anything with it. Okay, wait, did this? It almost worked. But why? But I did have, actually, now that you mentioned the different gameplays, I do have some ideas in mind. They'll still use basic Ninja Saga systems, you know, but like some new content that's been popular. For example, I had in mind a progression system in like a map of sorts where you would fight 10 enemies in a row without any break. And if you do beat it, you get a checkpoint with a reward, and then you can continue. And that thing would scale up every 10 enemies, and you basically go as far as you can and earn the rewards, which are dynamically generated. So there's no real cap for it. And every, let's say, month or few months, I don't know, I would reset that thing, so that there's always something to do, you know? It's not just doing missions for XP, there'll be more content like that map that I mentioned, maybe some boss fights and so on, just similar to Hunting House, but a bit more interesting bosses, you know? So, can I just await it in a different way? Await? Maybe? I don't know if this will actually do anything, but we'll see. Hopefully it does anything. Maybe? No, still just... Maybe? Ah, right, okay. Why is this not... Oh, because of that, is it? So what if I just do it like this? Will this do anything? Is the real question. I actually need to close the bracket. Yes. Reserve what? What are you on about, my dude? Yeah, I actually had in mind like stuff like buffs on and heals and whatnot, where you can, for example, if you're doing a run, let's say, for example, I was thinking to have checkpoint every few, like let's say 5 levels. Levels is a fake word in this case, but like you beat 10 enemies, then 10 again, then 10 again, 10 and 10, and then you have a checkpoint. But between them, you would get some ailments every 10 fights, where you can pick, like, heal my player or double my damage and whatnot, you know? So similar to that, but because every 5 I was thinking to change the background and enemies and whatnot, so that way I can keep it like more sectioned in a way. Right, why is this not doing anything? Const? No. Why are you being so weird? The hell? Await connection query. Right. I'm so lost with this for some reason. I just want to do anything. Insane. But that was just one of the ideas I had in mind. There's a few more that I would really like to do. But I guess for now this one is fine. Why is my await not actually doing anything? Is my question. Zero weapon. If I do essence here, does that do anything? Probably not. My god, this is annoying. Right, actually, I might have to stop for a bit because I'm having troubles figuring something out and I can't really use my PC freely while streaming. It's a bit of annoyance. Trying to figure out why. Huh. What is this? Okay, well, for now I guess I'll stop, but hopefully next time I do stream again, because this was really short, I'll have something more to do on screen rather than behind the scene. But yeah, a bit of annoying, but yeah, okay. Thank you, whoever is still in, if there is anyone. And I'll try to do another stream really soon after I have the basics done. I thought this would go faster than it did, but okay. yeah, again, thank you everyone, and I'll see you a bit later, I guess.